Internet. Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to find factorial of a given number using recursion. So what is recursion? A function calling itself is called as recursion. Now here what we do here is, so we accept a number from the user. Let us assume that if user enters a number called 5, then so with the 5, this is a function call, calling a function from the main program or main function. Then here 5 will be stored in this n. Now if 5 equal to 0, 1 will be returned, because in recursion at one point we need to stop calling the function. So this is the point when n value becomes 0, it will be stopped. Otherwise n into, what is the value of n? 5. So 5 into factorial of 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 4. So actually what happens here is, with the value 4, again the same function will be called. Okay, then n value will be 4. Then again with the 3, 2, 1 it will be called repeatedly. So for explanation purpose, I will take the separate programs and explain this recursion. Now here so the same program, so I will explain you by as a separate functions fact. So here the same copy of fact I have written number of times for explanation purpose. So here in the main, what is the value of n? 5. So here we are calling a function with the value 5. So now here 5 equal to 0, false. So goes to the else part, 5 into fact of 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? 4. So here return will be possible only after executing this, getting this function call execution completes, then only this will be returned. Now first function will be called. Here let us assume that it calls this function with the value 4. So this is a function call. Internally it calls the same function. For explanation purpose I am using this function with value 4. 4 equal to 0, false. Then it goes to the else part, fact of 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. So n value is 4 and 4 into fact of 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. With the 3, a separate function will be called. The same function, let us assume this function is called with 3. 3 equal to 0, false. Then it goes to the else part, 3 into fact of 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. With the 2, again this separate function will be called. 2 equal to 0, false. It goes to the else part, 2 into fact of 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? 1. So with this 1, again this function will be called. Now 1 equal to 0, false. So 1 into fact of 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. With the 0, again this function will be called. Now n value here is 0. 0 equal to 0, false. Sorry, 0 equal to 0, s. So this 1 will be returned to the caller, that is from where this function has been called, to this from this location. So this 1 will be returned to this location. 1 into 1, 1. So this 1 will be returned to this location. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 will be returned to this location. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 will be returned to this location. 4 into 6, 24. 24 will be returned to this location. So 5 into 24, 120. This 120 is returned to this location, stores in F and displays the result as 120 will be displayed onto the screen. This is how the recursion function works. In this we need to take care, at one point it should stop calling the function, otherwise it will be called repeatedly infinite number of times. Now let me execute and show you that program. So here save your program, compile and run the program, enter any number, 5 displays factorial of 5 is 120. So run once again, enter any number, 6 factorial of 6 is 720 will be displayed onto the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.